Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you about how to fix non-registered on network. So how you can fix these problem if your SIM card is set in your smartphone and you can't be able to register on the network. To fix this, first you have to just open your settings of your smartphone, and many people comment me like how to solve this problem and my internet connectivity is not coming, can't able to use internet. So by doing this feature, this will help you. So first friends, click on search and here you have to write access point name. Click on this feature, and this is feature for resetting your network problem. If it is showing sometimes there is a glitch or something that will occur, and it will show like this problem. So click on just reset and reset to the default, then press again back. Click on applications. Here are the applications. You have to tap on here, click on search. Right here, Google Play Services. You have to must clear cache this, and again you have to search in the search bar Android, and here it is Android settings. Tap on here, click on storage, click on clear cache. Again press back, and friends, you can do one two more steps also by clicking on the settings. Right here, reset network settings. By clicking on here, this will solve your problem very quickly. And as you can see, I have reset the network settings. This will solve your problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.